Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to update Audi Q5 navigation maps full guide. Begin by backing up your settings, find your MMI software version, and download the correct map package to a FAT32 USB drive. Verify file integrity and follow the on-screen MMI prompts to install maps. Wait for completion, then verify new map data and restore settings. If you hit errors, retry with a different USB port or consult Audi support. Start from Audi's official portal or contact an authorized dealer to obtain the correct map package for your MMI version. Make sure the download matches your region and that your USB drive is formatted FAT32. Copy the map files to the root of the USB and safely eject it. Insert the USB into the vehicle's port and follow the MMI installation prompts. Allow ample time and do not interrupt the update process while maps install. If you like this walkthrough, please subscribe and give the video a like. It really helps. Quick recommendation: consider the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum for voice control and effortless cleanup, a handy companion after a long DIY session. I mention it because less time cleaning means more time for car maintenance. Check the description for the link and other deals, then now let's get back to the video. With the vehicle powered and stable, insert the prepared USB into the MMI port and accept any prompts to update navigation maps. The system will copy files, install data, and may reboot multiple times during the process. Stay patient and avoid turning off the vehicle or removing the USB until the MMI confirms completion. After installation, verify new map versions and restore any backed up settings to ensure personalized navigation behavior returns.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.